Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we will discuss about the itchy gums. Itchy gums can be a sign of several different conditions that includes gum disease, allergies and hormonal imbalance and many more. Figuring out what causes your gums to age and can help you to find a treatment and stop the age. Your dental health is about more than just your teeth. Your gums are the delicate tissues that covers your crown portion, the root portion and the inside nerve that is sensitive. They need your care too. Without it, your gums can develop several types of chronic dental conditions that lead to serious dental consequences. Now we'll see the causes. Figuring out what causes your gums to age. If you aren't sure, make an appointment with your dentist. Together you can rule out some causes until you find the one that explains why your gums are itchy. Now we'll see the causes of itchy gums. Gum injuries. Trauma or injuries to the gum can cause pain, discomfort and itching. These injuries may be the result of physical injury such as injury sustained while playing sports. An injury may also be the result of behaviors. Teeth grinding, also called bruxism, can cause headache, jaw pain and even the itchy gums. Gums can also become irritated and itchy from using e-cigarette and vaping. Vaping is the inhaling and exhaling vapors containing nicotine. Next is the plaque accumulation. A thin coating or a film of plaque, a colorless sticky substance, can build up over time. Mucus and food mix with bacteria to create an overgrowth of plaque. Over a time, plaque can lead to a gum disease. Symptoms of plaque buildup may include gum sensitivity, bleeding while brushing, and gum that age. The next is gingivitis. The first phase of gum disease is called gingivitis. Another name of gum disease is periodontal disease. Gingivitis is a mild form of disease and it's caused by the buildup of plaque. At this phase, gingivitis likely hasn't caused additional complications. Next is allergic reactions. A sensitivity or allergy to certain things may cause itchy gums. These include foods, seeds, medicines and pets. Even seasonal allergies like hay fever can cause itchy gums. Next is hormonal changes. Swings in your natural hormones level may impact how your gums feel. Women during pregnancy, puberty, menstruation or menopause may experience itchy gums more frequently. They may also experience other oral symptoms, including pain, sensitivity and bleeding during these times. Next is dry mouth. Your mouth does a good job for regulating your natural moisture. Sometimes certain medical conditions or medication can keep your mouth from producing enough saliva to keep your gums and tongue moist. This can lead to dry mouth and one of the common symptoms of this condition is itchy gum. Next is ill-fitting dental devices. Dentures and partials that don't fit well can cause problems. If there is a gap between these devices and your gums, food can sneak in. Bacteria can start to grow and an infection may develop. This can lead to inflammation, sensitivity and itchy gums. Now we'll see the treatment part. Treatment for itchy gums depends on what's causing the gums to age. Several of these treatments for itchy gums are home remedies. Others may require treatment from your dentist. Treatment that includes some procedures and medicines. Antihistamines. If itchy gums are the result of allergies, an antihistamine may stop the symptoms. Next includes teeth guards. Prevent further damage to your teeth by wearing a guard while you play contact sports and while you sleep. That is called night guard. Plaque scaling. These electric tools can help your dentist remove tartar and plaque buildup from above and below your gum line. It is unlikely brushing alone can remove this buildup. The next is root planing. Your dentist may use this procedure to remove several tartar buildup due to receded gums. This gives teeth and gums a fresh surface so they can reattach to gum surfaces. Now we'll see the prevention. How do you prevent the itchy gums? The best way to prevent itchy gums is to take care of your teeth and gums. The fewer the problems you have with your teeth and gums, the fewer symptoms of periodontal disease you will experience. Following are the tips to help you prevent the itchy gums. Number 1. Have the regular cleaning. Visit your dentist twice a year for a deep cleaning. Your dentist can also use these appointments to monitor any potential future problems. Number 2. Brush and floss daily. Brush your teeth and floss at least twice per day. Rinse with alcohol-free antiseptic mouthwash if you have had problems with inflammation and infection. Number 3. Rinse your teeth after meals. Brushing will be better, but rinsing will remove food. These can cut down on bacterial growth. Ice cubes can help hydrate you. The last is lifestyle changes. Smoking can irritate your gum health. Quitting may make the itching stop. This includes quitting e-cigarettes and vaping. Avoiding food that irritates your gums can help too. Spicy, acidic, starchy or sugary food are the most common culprit for gum irritation. Now we'll talk about the summary. Your dental health is closely connected to your overall health. Taking care of your gums and teeth helps take care of your whole body. If you are experiencing unusual sign and symptom, it's important you to figure out what could be causing it and prevent it from causing problems in the future. Otherwise, you increase your risk for developing more serious dental health issues, including periodontal disease and teeth damages. So friends, always remember prevention is always better than cure. Do visit to your dentist once in a 6 months. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.